Hello guys, this is HalloweenSwain and this is the exercise number 4. Now this is also the beginner exercise and I have created the PDF as well. You guys can make a screenshot or you guys can try to make it by your own and then check the video how I made it. So let's start the video. Now this is a pretty simple one. This is the drawing I have as well. So we are going to start with the top view. As you can see, it's a 60 by 80. So simply make 80 by 60. So here we go, the first one is done. Now as we can see here, we have to make that 10 mm thickness over here in order to make that block. So let's start simple and like this. Okay, so now we are gonna just make a dimensions. Let's give it to 10. Now as you can see, there is the angle over here. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 4 line, and the distance, the bottom distance is constant, like 15, 15, 15, and the angle is decreasing like 5 degree at every time. So we are going to make start with the point. Let's make this one. Now, as you can see, the first one is a 70. So we are going to use a dimension. Here is a 70, and then the second one. Here we go. Now they both are parallel. We just have to go dimension between these two is 15, and we have to delete the parallel constraint, and now we are going to make the dimension, which is 65. As we can see, this is degrading 5 degrees at every point. So again, we are going to start the 15, and again one more. Start here at some point and make another one at some point. Perfect. So make a dimension to 15. Okay, it says over constraint. Okay, because it's a midpoint constraint over here. Okay, we can make 15. The other one also 15. Now the angle, this one is a 60, and the last one is 55. That is under the midpoint constraint here. Just delete this one, make it 55, and make it coincide. That's it. So here we go. So this one is finished. Now we are going to go for the extrude. Now the first thing we are going to do is extrude the bottom one, which is 10, and then we are going to enable the sketch and go 60 on this side. This one should be 60. Now we are going to extrude every single one. This one should be 50. Extrude this one 40, 30, 20, and this one is 10. And over here, so for this one, we are going to use the hole command. So that is a hole over here. Now as you can see, the radius is a 5, so diameter would be 10, and we are going to use the reference point. Just let's use a 15, 1, and the second one from here 15 again. Perfect. And the last thing remaining is a chamfer. So we are going to use a chamfer here, and the chamfer is a 10. Here we go. So as you can see, we simply create our design as this one. Now you can use the different colors. If you are going to use the the different appearance, then you can just make anything you want. Just like you can make a pink one or whatever you want. So this is a simple exercise. So I hope you like it, and see you on exercise number 5.